Today, we're going to learn about squares and square root. We can see that 16 is the square root of 4, such that 4 times 4 equals to 4 squared, or we can also say it as 4 to the power of 2, which gives us 16. The reverse of square is known as square root. We can say that 4 is the square root of 16, such that square root of 16 is equals to square root of 4 times 4, or square root of 4 squared, which gives us 4. Can we find the square of a negative number? For example, negative 4. So negative 4 squared is actually equals to 4 multiplied by negative 4, which gives us positive 16. For this example, we can see that a square root of a positive 16 has two answers, which is positive 4 and negative 4. This can be written as positive or negative or square root 16 is equals to positive or negative 4. Perfect squares are squares of 0 and positive or negative whole numbers, such that 0 square is equals to 0, 1 square equals to 1, negative 1 square is also equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4, negative 2 square also gives us 4, 3 square is equals to 9, negative 3 square is also equals to 9. And all of these numbers are known as perfect squares. Other than that, 16, 25, 36, 49, and so on and so forth are also perfect squares. We can find the square root of any perfect square by using the prime factorization method. Let's take a look at the next example. For this example, find the square root of 196 using prime factorization. We can rewrite the words square root of 196 as the single square root 196. So for this answer, we know that there will be two answers, a positive and a negative number. So the first step is find the prime factorization of the number 196. Alright, so 196 can be divided by 2, which is the smallest prime factor, to get 98. And we continue to divide by the next prime factors. So therefore, the prime factorization of 196 is equal to 2 square times 7 square. Step 2, we need to rewrite the number as its square root. So therefore, since the question asks to find the square root of 196, is actually equals to the square root of 2 squared and 7 squared. Step 3. We divide the power for each factor by 2. And we remove the square root symbol. So therefore, this will be equals to 2 to the power of 1, since we divide the power 2 by 2 to get 1. Next, for the factor 7, we divide its power 2 by 2 as well to get 7 to the power of 1. So therefore, 2 to the power of 1 times 7 to the power of 1, which is the same as 2 times 7, will give us 14. But since square root of 196 has 2 possible answers, therefore, positive or negative square root of 196 is equal to positive or negative 14.